This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the mesh count and emulsion compatibility with your ink. This prevents bleeding later. Lay the frame flat, tensioned, and lock the plate in so the mesh sits 0.51 mm above the substrate. Once set, coat the mesh evenly and expose a short test strip for 10-20 seconds to confirm exposure time. Do this now so you can adjust immediately if the film lifts. Increase exposure in small increments and repeat the test until the stencil holds crisp edges. You now align your artwork using registration marks. Accurate placement saves time on multicolor prints. Expose the full image using the manufacturer's recommended times, and then wash out the uncured emulsion with low-pressure water until details are clear. Once dry, inspect under strong light and touch up pinholes or thin areas with blockout or a fine emulsion brush. Make sure to keep consistent drying temperature and avoid contaminants. This ensures even ink laydown and reliable prints during the... You finish by doing a test print on scrap to dial in squeegee angle, pressure, and off-contact distance. Small changes can fix big issues. Once satisfied, run your production and clean the screen immediately after to prevent ink drying in the mesh. If you encounter bleeding, stop, tighten mesh tension, increase emulsion thickness, or re-expose the stencil to strengthen edges. As a tip, always keep a spare screen prepared. It prevents downtime when a stencil needs reclaiming or rework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.